Right, question 21. Chris is trying out for his local athletics team. To qualify for the team, he has to run 100 meters in under 11.5 seconds. There are 3 trial races left for qualification. If he runs 11.5 centimeters, he automatically qualifies and doesn't have to take part in any remaining trials. Read the question carefully, it will save you bother. If he qualifies by running under 11.5 seconds, he does not take part in any remaining trials. Each time Chris runs, the probability he qualifies is 0.6. You may assume that each run is independent, so each time he runs, the chances are 0.6. So let's have a look. Qualifies does not qualify in the first trial, 0.4 here, right? Because that's got to add up to 1. He's either going to qualify or he's not going to qualify, so that adds up to 1. Now, if he qualifies, that's it. He doesn't take part in the second trial, so I don't need to split this off here. But if he doesn't qualify, he does take part in the second trial, and then he can either qualify or not qualify. This is the qualifies bit. And this is not qualified, does not qualify. Okay, and each time it says that his chances of qualifying are 0.6, so it's going to be another 0.6 here and 0.4 here. Now, if he qualifies there, he doesn't take part in the third trial. Okay, it says that up here. If he qualifies, he doesn't have to carry on, keep them going. But if he doesn't qualify, he then takes part in the third trial. So then that would be then the third trial, he can take part in that, and he could qualify from that, or he could not qualify. And if he does not qualify, well, it only talks about 3 trial races left, so that's it. Anyway, 0.4, chance he doesn't, 0.6, chance he does qualify. There's my 3 marks. That's very generous of them. It's pretty straightforward. And I'm just going to look at the next bit. So question 21, I'm going to shift things around a little bit because that's on the next page. So question 21, work out the probability that Chris does not need to compete in the third race. So if he doesn't need to compete in the third race, he's either that one, okay, or he's that one. What he can't be, the only way he competes in the third, he only competes in the third race if he fails in the first 2, right? Okay, so the probability does not need to, only completes in the third race, third trial, if he fails 1 and 2. Okay, so what I can do is I can work out the chances that he fails 1 and 2, and then it's everything else would be my chance that he doesn't need to compete. Okay, so I can do it as like this. So therefore, it's 1 complete certainty. Take away the chances of him failing both those races, which is 0.4 times 0.4. which equals 1 minus 0.16, which equals 0.84. So that is one way of doing it, nice and straightforward way of doing it. And just to show you an alternative method, because there is an alternate method here, I could look at the chances that he doesn't get, that he either qualifies or he doesn't qualify and qualifies. Because those are the 2 things that could happen, right? That would mean that he doesn't take part in this race here. So that would be, this is an alternate method. Okay, so if he does that, then it's my chances that he, so my chances would be 0.6. That's the chances that he qualifies straight away. Or this probability, 0.4 times by 0.6. The chances that he doesn't qualify and then does qualify. So that is plus 0.4 times 0.6. Those two probabilities added together should give me the same here as 0.84. So that is 0.6 plus, right, what's 0.4 times by 0.6? That's 0.24, which is 0.84. So you can go either way with that, but my answer is still the same. It is 0.84, or 84%.